Hi. All right, I'm back. This is the third day of thrifting, and this is the haul. I went to two thrift stores today, and this was deep discount day. That's the only way I can describe it. For example, at the first thrift store that I went to, all blue tags were $3, $4. So that would be clothing and accessories, purses, shoes, things like that. So of course everybody goes there on Tuesday to try to get this $3, $4 deal. I'm no exception. So I will go over what I got for $3, $4 and what I paid full price for. Now, one thing I forgot to mention yesterday in my video was this item that I purchased. And I don't know really what it is. I paid $1.70 for these bundles. It's called Ready Cut Wool. And I guess it's a crafter's thing. But I went to Etsy and they are selling these in bundles. So I have to do a little bit more research to see what this is worth. But I thought it was unique. And I'm always looking for unique things. Okay, so $3, $4. Let's go. This is Cariloha T-shirt, 2XL. Now these products, this company, they make bamboo sheets and bamboo clothing. And when I went to comp Cariloha, there are a lot of T-shirts up there, and apparently this is a pretty good selling product. So even though it was 33 cents to me, I could probably get about $20 for this T-shirt because it is a bamboo blend. All right, and also I have a scarf by this company that is also bamboo. I believe it's 100% bamboo. So we'll see how this does. Speculation, new brand for me. Old brand for me. This is JCrew. These are linen pants, drawstring. Okay, so I'm not going to lose out on this, 33 cents. All of these clothings I can consign with either Crossroads, Buffalo Exchange, or ThredUp. So I'm not going to be out any money if I can't sell it online. This is Banana Republic. And I have a love-hate relationship with Banana Republic. I love their clothing. Love the clothing, but it just does not sell for me. I've got a couple of Banana Republic items in my closet that have really been sitting, and I always have to cut the price to get it to move. This is a top that came out last year, so I should be able to get a fairly decent price for it. But it's a really pretty lilac top. I love this lilac. But again, men Banana Republic, I don't know, something about the brand just does not sell very well. And here's another one, JCrew. But thankfully, these clothings were only 33 cents. So again, I'm not out a lot of money. This is a sweatshirt, oversized sweatshirt, JCrew, and this is fairly new. It's about 2 years old. All right. And this is a white T-shirt, Catherine's, Suprema cotton. And Catherine's does very well for me. At least their underwear does, their bras and their panties. I'm kind of dabbling into their clothing now to see how well it sells. But again, this was so low in price. I can afford to let it sit for a while. All right, this is a new product. I just thought it was so funky. So cool. It's by EPTM, made in the USA, but it looks as though somebody just took a knife or a sharp object and just went through this sweatshirt and put holes in it. And quite unique. Really, really, I think it's a nice product. I think it's a nice style, nice fashion, and it should appeal to the younger people. All right, so that was the 33 cents. I paid $2 for all of those pieces. Now getting to the full price. $6.56. This is Garnet Hill. I always jump at a Garnet Hill pajamas or gown because it has a very loyal following and their prices are a little bit high for a catalog company, and the resale is also very high. So this is a two-piece pajama, organic cotton. Let me see if you can see that. Very pretty pattern, and it looks like it's fairly new. I mean, it looks like it hasn't been worn. So I'm expecting, I paid about $7. I'll probably, I'm looking at somewhere between $20 and $25 for that. All right, so stepping out of my comfort zone of paying low for clothing. This is Armani Exchange. Now this is the casual, lower priced Armani. And I went online to see if there were any comparables, any t-shirts that look like this. As you can see, I paid $14 for this. And there were maybe a couple. So this will go on Grailed and eBay and Posh. I don't know how much value, resale value Armani Exchange has, but I know that Armani, the name, always captures the attention of buyers. Okay, so this is Armani t-shirt. Now, the only hard good item or non-clothing item that I found, this was $2. It's a puzzle, and it's called the $100,000 puzzle. It's some kind of gimmick. You turn it around, and you're supposed to put the puzzle together, and there's a code. There's a barcode that you're supposed to scan within the puzzle, and it tells you if you're a winner of either 25 cents or $100. Now, I don't know how old this puzzle is. I don't even know if this game is still active, if they're still playing this little game. But when I went to Amazon to look it up, no one is selling it, so I will be the only one selling this puzzle. And then I went to Google search, and the puzzle is priced anywhere from $20 to $40. So I've been having very, very good sales with Amazon being the only one who's selling that particular product. So I hope this works out also. All right, so I'm going to go into the bag. This was my second stop. This was the Village. Now they did have 2 for 1. In other words, if you bought a product that was the color code, which was yellow, green, and blue, that was half off. And if you bought another one, a matching color, that was free. Well, I had no such luck, so I just paid full price for all of this. Wonderart. This is a Latch Hook Kit, and you can see it's a little kitty. Now, the reason I bought this, and this is $2.70, is because I have a doggie. And I think what I'm going to do is lock the two together and sell it as one. Because the doggie is not getting any kind of views, watches. No one is purchasing it. So I think probably by putting these two together as a lot of two, I should do better in terms of selling. All right, I'm always looking for underwear for women. These were 80 cents each, size 15 panties. Now that's very large, but large women wear panties. Okay, so I got 4 of these. These are by Comfort Choice, and I just bought a couple of bras yesterday by Comfort Choice. It's a new brand for me. So we'll see how well these underwear products go, how well they do. So I got 4 of these, size 15, all cotton. Should be a seller. This was the only product that I got that was half off. This is, what is this? Okay, turn it upside down. Win by Chaz Dean. Sweet Almond Mint Anti-Frizz Styling Lotion. Now, I know this name. I know that they did infomercials for a long time. And I know that women love the products. So half price, I could probably get $25 or $30 for that. All right, and I got a couple of Spanx. I love my Spanx, except for the bras. The bras do not sell. Just giving you a heads up. But the shapewear does sell. So this is Assets. And this is a body shaper. And I believe this is selling for about $20, $25. And they're sold almost everywhere, even in Target. So I only paid about $5 for this. It's like new, almost brand new. And this is Spanx. It's a shaper slip. And when I priced this, the prices were as high as $80. I still don't know why these shapers, this shapewear costs that much money. But who am I to question? So this was $6. And I think I'm going to price it very competitively. And this will go on Posh. In fact, all of these clothings and underwear will go on Posh and eBay. Some of it will go on Mercari. Every platform brings its own audience, its own client. All right, so I am done for the week, and I just want to remind you a couple of things on your way out. Please hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And also come back to see what's sold, because as I sell, I'm going to list those products that I sell underneath the video in the comments section. All right, this is Chicago 0048 signing out. Bye-bye.